This is the battery-powered Singer Compact Fabric Shaver. Stay until the end to see a little modification I made, which greatly improves this device. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I've got the box open, I already put the batteries in, and I've already used it a little bit to give you a little before and after demonstration here. And if we look at pricing on this thing, if you order directly from Singer's website, their price is $11.99. But most times when you order from the manufacturer's site, there's going to be a shipping cost, and that shipping cost is usually expensive, and that makes them not a viable option. So what we'll do here is I will enter a fictitious name and then pick a random kind of Anytown, USA address just to get an idea what that shipping cost is. If I had to guess, it would probably be $10. It's a kind of a small item. Yeah, on the nose, $9.99. So when you put those two together, it's almost $25 to order it from Singer.com. Let's take a look at Amazon. You go to Amazon, they have it in stock. It's popular. $9.94, and if you're Prime, a lot of people are, I am, free shipping. That's a pretty good price, but I got mine in store at Walmart. Let's look up on Walmart's app what the price is, and I'll give you a little tip and trick about prices on the Walmart app or the Walmart website. Let's take a look at here what the price is going to be, $11.98. So if I could walk in there for $11.98 and pick it up, $2 or so more than Amazon, not too bad. But when you don't have your location on and your store selected, it will have this information thing that tells you the pricing information is only valid for if you ordered it off of the app or the website. It may not be the store price, and oftentimes it isn't the store price. So let's go back hands-on here. This is the box. Well put together, lots of information. It's a fabric shaver. What is a fabric shaver? Well, it's a sharp spinning blade or multiple blades or a disc of some sort. And there's a guard in front of it that's perforated, and it gives you like a millimeter gap between slicing your hand off and slicing up the fabric, getting rid of little sock balls and loose threads, things like that. Side-by-side comparison, I'm reselling these Nikes. Look at the difference. And I barely gave it any effort. I listed these after I used this machine on them. They sold in less than 24 hours. Now, is that a coincidence, or can we thank that Singer fabric shaver? Pretty awesome. I'll show you it in action in just a bit, but what happened was I washed these shoes with a white kind of scrap towel that was cut, which got lint everywhere. But before we use this, I will tell you there is a problem with the design. That is, your fingers will slide off the battery cover constantly, and that's going to annoy you like it annoyed me. But like I said, if you stay till the end, I will show you a little modification I did, which makes using this so much better. When you hear that grinding, that crunching, that is the machine doing its job. It's slicing off those little furs and the loose threads and the sock balls and the lint. And it does a good job. Personally, I wish the machine was smaller. But maybe I'm only saying that because of the application I'm using it for, which is the shoes, and there's some tight quarters getting in there. Motor feels nice, sounds nice. It's smooth. Overall, the machine, the weight balance is kind of wacky. They did their best. It's a nice machine. I like it. I'm happy with the purchase, but I would not have been happy if I wouldn't have been able to figure out a way to fix that battery cover dilemma. But we'll get to that. I'm going to give it 1 thumb up and like a half thumb up, but it really does get 2 thumbs up once you resolve this problem. Now, we want that battery cover to stay in place. Don't use tape because you have to replace these batteries. They're going to die. Use something else. First, I was thinking about rubber bands, and I do think rubber bands would work pretty well. What I bought was, I think it was 300 in different sizes and colors of these Velcro kind of zip ties, but they're Velcro. I slid it up because the handle is kind of tapered and it's really tight on there, and I've used it, and now that battery cover doesn't come off. So we're going to go 2 thumbs up. It's a nice machine. It is.